Got a roper dryer here, not heating. Went ahead and came straight to the back. Gonna take care of all these screws, get them all out. Boom, boom, boom. Pull the back off. Now I'm gonna check the fuses and the heating element. I always pull one lead off in case you get a false reading. Some people don't believe that. Let's take a look. All right, got my meter on continuity. All right, had something fall. Looking for the beep. He's good. He's good. He's good. Now I'll check the timer. Okay, went ahead and took the back off to get to the timer. Now I'm gonna pop this case apart and see if we see any burnt points. There it is. Burnt spot. Can't get the flash to work.